Seekers, good morning, happy Monday. So from today, we're gonna do a new activity. It's called step by step. So step by step means we're gonna draw something together step by step. So today what we're gonna draw are shapes. So the first shape we're gonna do is circle. I know most of you can do a circle. So let me make a circle first. How many steps did I have? One step. So in order to make a circle, you need one step. Okay, so now we're gonna do a little bit difficult one. So we're going to do a triangle. How many steps do you think we need to make a triangle? I say 3. So let's see. So in order to make a triangle, I'm going to make a dot first. Okay, so from this dot, the first step, I'm going to draw a line on one side. Step 1. All right, step 2, I'm gonna go from this circle, this dot, go from here, draw another line on the other side. Step 2. So step 1, step 2. All right, step 3 is I'm going to close it. Step 3. Step 3. So in order to make a triangle, we need 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So now we're going to try a shape that is a little bit harder than triangle. We're going to do a square. How many steps do you think we need to make a square? I think 4. So let's see if it takes 4 steps or not. So in order to make a square, I'm gonna make a dot first. Okay, so from this dot, I'm gonna make a straight line. Okay, step 1. All right, step 2, I'm also gonna start from this dot. From this dot, I'm going to make another line, but going down. Step 2. Okay, so step 3 is I'm going to start on this end. Going to make a dot on this end. So step 3 is I'm going to draw a line down. Step 3. Step 4 is I'm going to close it. Step 4. So in order to draw a square, we need 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, because square has 4 sides. All right, can you guys practice step by step at home? You can make a triangle and a square. Make sure you follow the steps, okay? All right, guys. See you guys later. Thank you for watching the video.